So if you're wearing a wig and you're finding it's slipping around a bit much and you're nervous about it's going to fall off, there's a couple of things you can use to help stop your wig slipping basically. One is a mesh wig cap. This is how they go on. That. So the little holes on here, let your hairs, baby hairs might grow through, and then the mesh actually acts as a grip. The next thing is called a wig grip. So what this means is on the velvet side, one direction is really smooth, the other side is really grippy, a little bit like a cat's tongue. So we'd want to put this on like this. You'd line that up with your parting if you have one. That's really secure. You'd then put your wig on over the top and it would grip this way. And with both of them like this, your wig will not slip and it'll feel very secure. Thanks for watching.